welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing a review on It's a Wig, the Nuna Wig. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep on watching. So today I'll be talking about this gorgeous wig right here. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I've already worn this wig, and I definitely wanted to come to you guys and bring you guys a video about this wig, and let's just get right into it. So the wig is the It's a Wig Nuna Wig. It's like a pixie cut, retro cut, vintage type cut. It gives me like Great Gatsby and like the 70s. Is it the 70s? Or is it the 60s? Yeah, it just gives me this like old school type vibe, and I absolutely love this wig. It makes me actually look like my age, so instead of looking like a little jit. The color is in M2 through 4, so it's like a mixture between the number 2 and the number 4 in the color of hair, and I absolutely love it. The price range, I think I got this wig for like $17 or $19, which is not bad. I got this wig from Divatress. It's an online wig store, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below so you could check out this wig. Inside the wig, there's no combs, there's no, what is that thing called? The bands. There's no bands in the back, there's no clips, there's nothing in the inside. So how I put my hair is I basically put on my wig grip. If you guys want to see what the wig grip is and stuff like that, I do have a video on the wig grip already, so I'm just gonna link it in the cards above and in the description box. So if you need a wig grip, you can get your hands on one, because it's about to be 2019 and I'm tired of seeing on Instagram that people's wigs is falling off. Like, there's glue, there's gel, there's wig grips, there's hair combs, clips, the bands in the inside. There's too many things to prevent us women from losing our wig or getting it snatched. So get your life, okay? That was an impromptu commercial break. All right, we back. What was I saying? Yeah, so there's no combs, there's no straps. So like I said before, I use the wig grip, and it's very big head friendly. The reason why I say it's big head friendly, I personally think I have a small head. Debate me in the comment section if you want to. But basically the wig goes behind my ear, and I have to like tuck it behind because there's so much extra space. So if you have a big head and you were wondering, should I get this wig, should I not get this wig, you can definitely rock it, because I have a lot of space on both sides. I had to like cut the hair on this side and cut here, and I can't cut anymore because then you'll see the actual wig cap, and you don't want that obviously. But I'm just letting you know, for my small headed girls like me, this is definitely big head friendly, and we do have to kind of cut around the perimeter just so that it could fit around the ear. I kind of struggle with this side to fit it around the ear, so I kind of left this long piece so that it can cover the ear. As you can see, my ear right here is a little bit covered because of how big the wig is. It doesn't look big on, and you could just finesse it so that it doesn't look wiggy, or finesse it so you can't tell that this area right here is the struggle area. But I still love this wig. One of my favorite specs on this wig is the parting. Like, the parting space, bro, it looks very real, and it gives, I don't know, it gives the wig like another type of. But yeah, I have nothing bad to say. I think my only con is that it doesn't really have anything to keep the wig on your head, but it's short, so like, what are you doing to have somebody snatch your wig, you know? It doesn't bother me on the neck. I don't know if I showed you like a really good view of the back, but this is what it looks like in the back. Like, I really don't know what it looks like back there, so I'm kind of nervous of what y'all are seeing, but this is what the back looks like. And yeah, it's a vibe, sis. Like, hello somebody, how you doing? If I didn't answer, or if I didn't talk about anything that you have a question about for this hair, let me know in the comment section below so that I can get back to you and answer your questions. I will leave other websites that sell the same wig, just so you have a variety of prices, because you know we out here trying to be bougie on a budget. So I will put different prices in the description box for you guys and different websites for you to check out this wig and see what price range works best for you. When I bought this wig, I think it was either $17 or $19, which is a really good price for a wig. It is a synthetic wig, but it's not long, so it's going to last you for a while. So definitely check it out if you're into short pixie cuts or, you know, retro looking, vintage looking cuts. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please join the family. Join me on the Av every week. I don't want to just see you at weddings. I don't want to just see you at funerals. I would like to see you on a daily basis. So make sure you come back to the Av every week to check out a new video by subscribing. And make sure you click on the notification bell so that you never miss when I upload a video, and you can just come to the house. You can just come to the street, come to the Av, and just chill with your girl. Like, you know, it's a party over here. Come on. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, peace.